In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete page in PDF file. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have this 10 pages PDF file and I want to delete some pages from it. So for that we just need a website called I Love PDF. Firstly we need to search it on Google, then enter on your keyboard. After that you will see this website on the first page itself. You can see ilovepdf.com. We need to open this website and you can see multiple options are here for editing or compressing our PDF file. You can see multiple options are here. We want to organize our PDF file. So for that here is option called organize PDF. We need to click on it and now you can see I am on the organize page. So after that we can drag and drop our PDF file here, or we can select our PDF file. I will simply click on select PDF file and then select your PDF file from your computer or your device. I will simply select my PDF file, then click on open. Now you can see all of the pages from my PDF are here. I can simply organize these pages. If I want to place my third page on the last, then I can simply select it and place it on the last page. So this is the way we can simply organize our pages like this. And if I want to delete any page from here, then I can simply click on this cross arrow. You can see it on the top side. I can simply click on it and then the page will be deleted. And now you can see page is now removed from my PDF file. I can simply remove this page as well. We can simply click on this cross icon, then our pages will be removed from our PDF file. I can simply click on it. I can arrange these pages as I want. Once your organization is done, then we can simply click on this organize icon. You can see it on the right side. Then we can click on it. After that our PDF will be organized and then we can simply download our PDF file. We can see this download file icon, then we can click on it and you can see my PDF has been downloaded. We can access it from here. I can click on my PDF file. Now you can see my PDF has 6 pages. Previously it has 10 pages. 4 pages are deleted now. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.